Hello, I'm Alex Mauskop. I'm a neurologist here in New York City, and I'm the director of the New York Headache Center. There are many natural ways to treat headaches. Now, for those people who really have sinus headaches, they have yellow-green stuff coming out of your nose, that's a real sinus headache. Sinus rinse using a simple solution of salt and baking soda, warm water, draining the sinuses will often prevent recurrent sinus infections. But a majority of people who think they have sinus headaches usually have migraine headaches, not sinus headaches. And there are many things you can do at home to relieve them. Taking a nap, if you can afford that. If you go to sleep, many people with migraine headaches will find that that is the best relief. Because very often lack of sleep is what triggers the headache in the first place. Lack of sleep, lack of exercise. So what you can do to prevent headaches without going to a physician, without resorting to medications, is a lifestyle change, such as getting enough sleep, exercise, eating properly, eating on a schedule, not skipping meals, drinking enough liquids, avoiding caffeine. All these are great treatments for prevention of migraine and other types of headaches. If you want to try something different, you can also use peppermint extract, which can be a pain-relieving substance. You can take a hot bath with an ice pack on your head. That can also help your headaches. And herbal supplements can be effective. Reflexology, acupressure, and there are many, many other ways to manage your headaches without medicines at home.